This video, we're going to be taking a look at Stepn, or ticker GMT coin. This thing has really been taking off and gaining some traction recently and lots of attention on this coin. So I figured I would take a look at the chart here, take a look at the price action for this coin and analyze that, and also just kind of dig in just a little bit to what exactly this is, because it does seem very interesting and I might myself be interested in this. So let's dive in, guys. Don't forget to smash the like and hit the subscribe if you're new. And like I said, guys, before we jump into the charts here, we're going to look at the website. We're going to take a look at CoinMarketCap here, but look at this chart, man. Just look at this. I'm going to analyze this for you guys here in just a second, so stick around for that. But I mean, this is absolutely beautiful here. So don't miss the technicals here in just a little bit, guys. It should be very interesting, because just from looking at this at a glance, it's looking good. So Stepn, or GMT coin, is trading right now at about $3.13, down about 0.1% in the past 24 hours, according to CoinMarketCap. And when we pull up the all-time chart for this, I mean, look at this thing, man. It's been on a consistent just uptrend. It has been blasting off here, just like this little rocket right next to this thing. I mean, it is literally just blasting off. So what is Stepn? Stepn is a Web3 lifestyle app with fun social elements and gamification design. Users equipped with NFT sneakers walk, jog, or run outdoors to earn GST, which can be used to level up and mint new sneakers. A player can choose to lease or sell their NFT sneakers on the in-app marketplace. Users' GST earnings are stored in the in-app wallet, which has a built-in swap function. And what is the Green Metaverse token, or GMT? GMT is the governance token of Stepn with a limited supply of 6 billion tokens. So right off the bat, if I can make money by just walking, I mean, I walk a lot every single day. I'm sure you guys do too. Jogging or running, this is pretty cool. So let's take a look at how this works and how you actually get paid, because I am very interested in this. I don't know about you guys, but I am definitely interested in this. So how to make your steps count. So first, it looks like you choose a sneaker that fits your fitness level. You only earn when you have an NFT sneaker and move outdoors with GPS. Okay, so they do have, I'm guessing, an app here that you have to download. So it looks like you can do the walker, the jogger, the runner, or the trainer. And I'm guessing that you get a different amount of rewards with each one of these. And if I'm right, these are NFTs, right? These are NFTs. So you buy these NFTs, you own these NFTs, and then you make money just from walking. You earn crypto just from walking. Very interesting. Okay, so you find a sneaker from the in-app marketplace, own more sneakers to gain higher energy levels. A shoebox contains one sneaker with random type and quality. And 4, equip your sneaker, move outdoors, burn energy, and earn handsome rewards. So all of this is done through their mobile app. So I'm guessing you have to download this mobile app. Then I guess you have to purchase your sneaker NFTs, and however many you earn or however many you hold, how many sneakers you own will depend on how much you earn from walking or jogging. Very interesting. So level up sneakers to make it more efficient, mint a new sneaker to sell or keep it. So you can even mint these sneaker NFTs, right? You can swap them for USDC. So they do take small taxes from the in-app activities such as NFT trading, shoe minting, and shoe rentals to make their money here. All assets in the Stepn app are owned by individual users, and majority of earnings in-app are made by users. Portion of Stepn's profit goes to buy carbon removal credits on the blockchain to combat climate change. Everybody can get on board with that, right? With a little bit of gamification and move to earn as the core mechanic, Stepn can nudge millions to embrace a healthier lifestyle. So it's got a good, very good thing going here for this project. I really like this. It's something that we have not really seen that much of being done in the crypto space as far as a project like this. Not any others out there that I'm aware of. Guys, if you know of any other projects that are doing something similar to this, drop those in the comments section. So an unlimited supply of GST coin, and GMT has a total supply of 6 billion. GMT is the governance token and GST is the utility token. Pretty simple there. In-app marketplace, here's the tokenomics. So you can buy the sneaker NFT, you can move to earn the coins, you can rent your sneakers, which is pretty interesting. So you can also rent your sneakers, and it looks like the majority of the token allocation is going to be going to the ecosystem and treasury and the move and earn. So you guys will definitely have to let me know what you think about this project in the comment sections. I would love to hear about all your guys' opinion on Stepn or the GMT coin here. This project seems pretty legit, seems very interesting. I did not look at their team. Let me just jump back real quick here because they did have a very nice looking team, guys. Very nice looking team over here. When you pull up their team, very decent looking here. I love the way they have the website designed. I love this. It's just very inviting, very user friendly, very nice, very bright, you know, and just even the website looks healthy, right? Even the website looks healthy. Backed by Sequoia, Voilis Ventures, Binance, Solana Ventures, backed by a lot here. Look at this. So we've got Solar Eco Fund, Spark Digital Capital, lots of different names here, big names also, guys. Almedia Research, DeFi Alliance, backed by some pretty prominent names here in the space. Now let's jump over here on the GMT coin chart, analyze this, see if we can't possibly give us a price prediction here. I know that there's an article right here, guys, an article, Stepn to new highs, GMT price painting first bull flag towards $5 target. So let's take a look quickly at this article and then jump into the chart and see what I can figure out here for you guys, in my opinion, of what I see in the charts. But first, let's take a look at this over at Cointelegraph. GMT is booming amid warnings that its 38,000% price rally since inception could end up being an absolute joke. Okay, wow. Let's see what they have to say about this. Stepn Gmt has rallied strongly against the US dollar this week as it looks likely to form a classical bullish technical pattern called the bull flag. GMT eyes more upside. GMT's price rose 30% week to date, including a strong rally to establish an all-time high near $3.85, followed by a relatively modest correction to nearly $3. In particular, the correction phase occurred inside a descending parallel channel, raising possibilities that the price would eventually break out of it to the upside. That is precisely because traditional analysts consider strong run-ups followed by range-trapped price corrections as bullish continuation setups. And the one GMT has been painting is a bull flag, as mentioned above, could lead to an upside boom in the weeks ahead, as shown in the chart below. Here you can see that chart right there. Looking very nice, and that's exactly sort of the same exact thing that I'm looking at in my chart as well. We'll get into that in just a second. As a general rule, traders realize a bull flag target by measuring the previous uptrend's height and projecting it from the breakout point. Applying the classic setup on GMT's chart shows that it now eyes a run-up above $5, about 65% above today's current price. This is what I want to talk about before we jump into the charts and the price action for GMT coin. Stepn's 38,000% gains an absolute joke? GMT surged up by nearly 38,000% in less than 2 months, guys, amid the hype surrounding Stepn's move to earn economic model that rewards its app users with a native currency called Green Satoshi Token, or GST coin, for merely moving. Stepn generates revenues. It made $26.8 million in Q1 of 2022 via the sales of its so-called NFT sneaker, a unique digital image whose ownership enables players to earn GST in the first place. Okay, so independent market analyst Wangarian believes the hype around Stepn looks similar to what Axie Infinity, or AXS, a play-to-earn gaming metaverse, witnessed in May of 2021. AXS rallied, or Axie Infinity rallied from around $250 to about $178 between May and November of last year. And here's a tweet by him. Tell me how Ape plus GMT ripping in a sideways market doesn't look similar to Axie Infinity back in May of 2021. Fellow independent market analyst Michael Vanderpoop, however, fears that GMT's market cap, which sits near $1.9 billion with a fully diluted valuation of around $18 billion, is an absolute joke. But GMT valuations can still become ridiculous, he adds, owing to Stepn's marketing tactics. So we got some haters here on Stepn. What do you guys think about that? Let me know in the comment section. And let's dive right on into the charts here, guys. So the first thing I want to do is just, first of all, put in some of these areas of support and resistance and these downtrends. That's the first thing I want to do here, is just check this out and see what we got going on here. As far as this goes, I believe this was a very nice breakout of this right here. Honestly, I would have probably put it on down some here. But that was a very nice breakout of this. If you look, basically, I would say that move is almost been reached right there. Let me just put this in real quick. I know I'm kind of backtracking here just a little bit, but this is good to do, right? This is pretty good to do. So let's just take a look at this. So, you know, the move of this was pretty nice. I mean, that was very close here. Very, very close, depending on what you want to do with the target. But depending on where you put it, very close there. So that makes perfect sense for that. Now let's take a look at the support and resistance here. Okay, guys, so as you can see, there's multiple areas here of support and resistance levels. But honestly, what we're looking at here is the possibility of this being a bull flag. Now let's jump back here real quick to this article. Let's just take a look at where they are looking at here. So they are basically, guys, looking at this right here. We've already broken out of this. If you look, what they're looking at here, guys, is this here as a bull flag. So let me just see how they have this analyzed real quick, because I want to just kind of go off of this a little bit. So they are looking at this right here as being a bull flag, which would be this area right here that we're looking at on the shorter term time frame. So let me just go ahead and put these lines in here. Let's see what they're looking at here. Because honestly, it does look like a bull flag. You do have this nice little flag action happening right here, guys, for GMT coin, for Stepn. Okay, the target here for this, they're saying around $5, and I think that's very legitimate. I think that's very reasonable here for a target. Let me put this in real quick, guys. So yeah, I mean, to be conservative, you would want to say about $5, but really it puts you all the way up here about $5.50 to be completely accurate. The measurement there would put you up around $5.50 potentially, guys, for Stepn. That is looking good. I totally agree with this analysis over here from CoinMarketCap. Or not CoinMarketCap, excuse me, Cointelegraph. Totally agree with this analysis. We're definitely looking at possibly $5 to $5.50 up here as the next target for GMT coin. Let me just put out one other thing, because you do have this, now you have this resistance here confirmed, right? So you want to look at this. You will want to look at that. So you've got your top here to look at about $3.87, and really anywhere between $3.85 and $4. You want to watch out for all that possible resistance up here. But let's jump it down here. Let's drop it down. Okay, guys, so I just want to drop it down here and zoom in on this price action just a little bit real quick, because, guys, Bitcoin's been seeing a little bit of a bearish move here recently. You know that. So looking at this, guys, on the hourly time frame for GMT coin or Stepn, you can see that we are trading out below the EMA ribbon here. We're trading out below the 50 EMA. Most likely looking at possibly coming down to test the 200 EMA. And honestly, the 200 EMA is down here at about $2.80, but by the time this price action does play out down here, I could see the 200 EMA lining us up nicely with this support line. So that would make perfect sense. I do think that you could expect this thing to pull back just a little bit down here to possibly around 280 to 290. Just in the short term, a pullback and a drop down to test the 200 EMA here on the hourly. If that doesn't hold, then you're looking at these next levels of support around $2.65 to $2.70. But it's looking like this should hold most likely. And if it does, you could speculate a breakout of this with a very nice bullish target, according to the analysis here and according to this article over at Cointelegraph. However, if the markets continue this bearishness, guys, if Bitcoin does continue bearish, then you might want to be looking at the possibility of these pullbacks coming down to test some of these previous support and resistance levels. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video on Stepn. It's just a quick update on this. I just wanted to talk about it a little bit because it does seem very interesting to me. And after talking about this, I mean, I might even download the app, because why not? You know, why not? If I can just get crypto for free just from walking every day, then sure, why not? Of course, it does look like you would have to most likely purchase one of these sneakers. So I might look into that. If I do, I'll bring you guys another update on Stepn later on sometime. Don't forget to check out the links in the description. Subscribe to the channel if you're new, and smash the like button on the way out. And check out AverageJoeCrypto.io, our community-driven project here. We do also have NFTs available now, guys. The NFT collection launching now, okay? Along with lots of other things, including rewards, Chronos token rewards for AJC token holders who lock up their tokens or the liquidity. Check it all out. It's all available here on the website. You can go to AverageJoeCrypto.io, or you can go to AJCSwap.com. Thanks again. Hope you guys have a fantastic weekend. I'll see you in the next one.